you've got to know that, and you've got to believe that. And you've got to understand what that means. That means whatever gets thrown at you tonight, you're all very capable of overcoming it and getting on top of it and being a better person and being a better footballer. All of you are role models, not just for the little girls that run around. Okay, you're role models for me. Okay? I find you all very, very inspiring people. And there's nothing more powerful than a room full of inspiring women that come together for a purpose.
And here we go, Saints fans. It's time to welcome your team out onto RSEA Park.
We are underway here at Moorabbin. Bree Watt and Celine Moody do battle. There's young Tiana Smith, her first touch, kick off the ground, finds another debutant, Jackie Fott, and straight away she'll go towards Greiser, who might get a free kick. She will. And Caitlin Greiser will get the Saints off to the perfect start inside the opening 30 seconds.
Now the race is on and Kate McCarthy's going to win this one. She bursts away from 55 all by herself. Sheila runs into an open goal and that lifts the spirits of the Saints. And here she is on debut, snapping the goal. Tiana Smith, she's had it 8 times and a goal.
Coming across Guttridge, it'll sit and bounce, and this will seal the game for the Saints. And they'll win the opener in 2021.
Spirits have been down, but not for long because the Saints marching in, celebrating their first win of 2021.